All right, guys, we are back with another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti, and we are back again at just what I needed. Last time they had what I needed. This time I'm gonna try out a blueberry galette. They know how to do breakfast sandwiches here. Let's see just how great their pastries are. Let's check it out. All right, guys, we've got our blueberry galette here. It looks almost like a toaster strudel. You rip some of the top off. We got some powdered sugar on here. Presentation-wise, it looks gorgeous, colorful, but let's see how it tastes. This right here, this vegan blueberry galette. Pretty I love
good.
the flakiness and the crispiness of the puff pastry. This kind of creamy, almost like cream cheese filling they got. I believe it's made out of tofuti. It's a little bland. There's a little kind of fruity flavor to it, but it's too faint. Biting into that crispy, flaky puff pastry, we're going up. Then I get to the creamy tofuti, and it's too bland. We go down a little bit, but then we ride back up with that blueberry. It's a little citrusy, a little tart, provides that punch, so the blueberry saves the mediocre tofuti. And then on top of that, you've got the powdered sugar to add a little bit extra sweetness. It's good, you know, tasty. I get this. Not knocking my socks off. The breakfast sandwich blew me away. That I'll write home to mom about. The galette, it's a little bland. I love the texture. Very crispy, very flaky, love all that. Blueberry's great, but for me, it's that weak link, that tofuti, man. The tofuti is the weak link, brings the team down. I would say fire, but the tofuti brings it down to just aight. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Tune in again next week for another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all.